Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we're going to show you a product assembly of our BLA 10T shoe cove. Let's go ahead and open the box. For the first step, we require 20 part A, 20 part B. Let's assemble. For our next step, we require two of our preset assembly, 2 parts E25, 4 parts B12, and 1 part I. Let's assemble. For your next step, you require our previous assembly. This is 18 parts A and B, 36 parts C12, 18 parts E25, and 9 parts I. Let's assemble. For the next step, we're going to use the bottom flap form. You see the feet is longer compared to the rest, and require 4 parts E17. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 32 parts E17 and our previous assembly. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require the cover part M. Let's assemble.
For the last step, we require part K, the anti-tipping. Please refer to our manual on how to install. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the product assembly of our BLA 10T shoe cove. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product assemblies for more of our products. Thank you.